So hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through like how to download Instagram story on a device. So to do so you need to watch this video till the very end. So let's get started. So to download an Instagram story you need to go to your profile icon. From there you need to go to your story, and from here click on the option 3-dot icon which is at the very bottom right of this page. Click on this and here you can see the option like save. Click on the option save, and you can also save the story or you can save your photo. Like click on the option save photo. So that's how you can just save photo or videos from your own stories. But if your story is already expired, then you can visit to your profile again and click on the option 3 line and go to your setting, and from here you can go to the option like archive. Click on the option archive. From here you can just select your expired story, like tap on this, and from here again you can simply tap on this 3-dot icon. Tap on this and you can just click on the option like save story. Click on the option save story, and if the sound have been using in your story, the sound will not be able to download it, so you have to download without the audio, and click on the option save, and the video or photos will be downloaded on your camera roll again. So that's how you can just download it from your own Instagram story. But you want to download someone else's story, you can use online download tools. To do so you need to copy the username, not a story link. You need to copy the username and go to the site like storysaver.net, instasave.net, igram.io/story downloader, and paste the username and click download and choose the story you want to download. So that's how you can download it from the third party. But if the account is private, you won't be able to download the story unless you follow them and use the screen recording method. And to download others video, also you can use like screen recording for any story you want to like screen record it, and you can just have it on your camera roll. So let me know if you want a specific tool recommendation for iPhone or Android or PC in our comment section below. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.